Assalamualaikum. My name Lokman Hakim bin Zulkifli. Metric number B05-2010-113. Me as the leader of Group 10, subject Product Design Manufacturing, will discuss about our final project, handmade dryer machine.
Hello, my name is Nurada Khairunisa Tisham. I will start this presentation. Helmet dryer project for motorcycle is a personal mechanical object that can be used to create an opportunity to us to help society to take a short time for drying their motorcycle helmet in an effective cost. The objective of this project is to make it easier for motorcyclists to dry their helmet in a short time. Currently, it is reported that people always dry their helmet under the sun or under the light. With this erratic nation weather can affect the rate of time to the helmet to dry. The rate of time the helmet to dry will be slow. Also, when using a damp or wet helmet, it will be smelly and be uncomfortable for us to wear the helmets.
We go through literature review. The introduction. Introduction is important to achieve successful system because it helps to identify problems that occur in exciting system. Help to identify the best approach to achieve the project goal based on the study. Our design. The entire design of this product is in cube shape. The shape, as it is not too complex, easy to shape and suitable for users at all age. Then household quality. We will be using the suitable material while keeping the cost low. The design of materials affect the features of the product. Material that was withstand with high temperature, light and strong will be chosen to build our product. Questionnaires. The questionnaires have a total 10 questions divided by 2, section A and section B. Section A will consist of 4 questions and section B have 6 questions that mainly focus on the product specification of the characteristic. The value of well-designed questionnaires that whether it tests what is supposed to test is absolutely important for a researcher to be aware of. And lastly, design for manufacture and assembly. These methods are risky, costly, and time-consuming. The parameters of drying helmet system and eliminating the drawback of method used earlier. The on switch plus switch timer operate helmet drying machine has design which help in user use it effectively, efficiently, and eco-friendly. That's all from me. Thank you.
Questionnaire and survey talks about the interview that we conducted last time to get valuable information. Next, for the focus group and research, talks about the HOQ, which is also known as the House of Quality. And then for the Gantt chart, why do our group use a Gantt chart? We use a Gantt chart to well manage our project and to make it more efficient. Besides, a flowchart helps our group to identify all the possible processes which are involved to make our project. And then a material description talks about the properties of our selected material, which is aluminum alloy. Furthermore, experimental design talks about the constraints and the characteristics of our project. Research approach and research method talks about the house of quality for our project, which is also referred to the interview that we conducted earlier. A morphological chart. Morphological chart divides all the possible small chunks of the material that we need for our project. Product tree structure. Product tree structure, our product is divided into exterior and interior components. Lastly, for the application of DMFA. DMFA is also known as the design of material assembly and the design of assembly.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noain Shohada. First, I'm going to present about result and finding in our project. From this questionnaire, this is the feedback that we receive from all the respondents that fill in the Google form for helmet drying machine. This helmet drying machine is suitable for various age because it is easy and safe to use. After that, the QFD is to justify the customer need and meet how the requirement relate to the methods of quality product. The customer requirement is easy to use, design of product, quality product, performance, affordable cost, safety, and lightweight. Furthermore, this is the list of function of each part for helmet drying machine. For the detailed drawings, this is the full exploded view and the assembly part for our product. The main part for our helmet drying machine is heater, blower, fan and air pump. This drawing divided into two parts, which is internal part 1 is above to dry the helmet. For internal part 2 consists of component which is blower, heater, air pump and other components.
DFMA is a combine from design for manufacture, DFM, and design for assembly, DFA. Next is material selections. Material selection have 4 steps. First step is translations. Translation is we have list our function attributes, product constraints, objective that can be achieved, and the last is free variables. The second step is screenings. The material property were based on the data that have been retrieved from CF software. The third step is ranking. Ranking is performed to select the best material for body helmet drying machines. The ranking method is score 1 to 10. The material with highest score will be selected. The last step is documentations. Based on the design for the body helmet drying machines, the best material among other is edge hardening wrought aluminum alloy. Next is manufacturing welding. We use emerging welding because emerging welding is the most versatile of arc welding processes. It's allowing ferrous and non-ferrous metal of variety, thickness, and welding position. Next is cost estimation for helmet drying machines. We estimate total bill of material for helmet drying machine is 501 ringgit and 32 cents. Next, we use Boothroyd Deert to estimate operation cost. Total operation cost that we estimate is 83 ringgit and 82 cents. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Muhammad Siddiq. So I would like to explain about discussion. So the first thing is we need to produce 5 types of concept about helmet drying machine using morphology chart. We need to choose 5 criteria and 5 options based on this table. At the next slide, we have 5 concepts of design as shown 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At the next slide, we need to choose the best concept by using a concept screening method. We had analyzed each of the concept and finally we had ranked each of the concept. The result are we eliminate base concept, concept 3 and 5. We combine concept 1 with concept 4 and we continue analyzing with concept 2 to another method. After that, we going to concept scoring method. We had giving a score to both concept and finally we choose concept 2 as our final concept as it get the highest score among the others. So right now the conclusion is we have determined problem statement, objective and scope for our project. We could choose the finest design from all design options to be developing in final process and improve the ideal design based on the selection procedure. That's all from me. Thank you.